In this video, we will learn another method to make a whole coaster.
First, make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn over your pointer finger and middle finger. Turn your hand over and clamp the yarn with your middle and ring finger. Insert your hook under the right strand and over the left strand, and then pull the left strand under the right. Turn your hook to create a loop on the hook and insert the hook under the working yarn. Pull it through the loop that's on your hook. Now we just made a magic ring. Next we need to do 10 single crochet into this ring. Okay, now we start to make the first single crochet. Insert the hook through the middle of the loop. Yarn over and then pull the yarn back through the loop. Yarn over again and then pull through both loops on the hook. This is first single crochet in magic ring. Remember to put a stitch marker into the first stitch and make it easy to find. Now we continue to make the second single crochet into this ring. Insert the hook through the middle of the loop. Yarn over and then pull the yarn back through the loop. Yarn over again and then pull through both loops on the hook. This is second single crochet in magic ring. Now follow us to make the left 8 single crochet. When you're done, your piece should look like this. A total number of 10 stitches. Last step, pull on the yarn tail tight until the magic loop disappears.
Start from this round, so we need to make a slip stitch and 2 chain stitches into first stitch at the beginning of each round. Now we just make the slip stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch that marked by the whole stitch marker. Yarn over and just pull through the stitch in the loop on the hook. This is like a slip stitch. Next, make 2 chain stitches. So this is second chain stitch. As the pattern says, next we need to make 10 HDC edge stitches. HDC increase means 2 half double crochet stitches into same hole. Yarn over and insert the hook into the first kind of stitch. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the stitch. There should be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. This is first half double crochet stitch. Just remember to put a stitch marker into the first stitch. Same method, make the second half like double crochet into the same hole. Yarn over and insert the hook into the first kind of stitch. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the stitch. There should be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. Now we just finished the second half double crochet stitch. Next, yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch to make HDC increase stitch. Totally, we need to make 10 HDC increase. When you're done, your piece should look like this, just a total number of 20 stitches.
For round 3, in the beginning, We need to make a slip stitch and 2 chain stitches into the first stitch too. Okay, now we finished 2 chain stitches, as the pattern says. Next, we need to make a sequence of 1 HDC following by 1 HDC increase and repeat it 10 times. Okay, yarn over and insert your hook into the first stitch that says hole. Same with the slip stitch you just made. To make a half double crochet,
Just remember to put a stitch marker into the first stitch.
next yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch to make an HDC increase. Now we finished one sequence of 1 HDC following by 1 HDC increase. Next, repeat it 9 more times. When you're done, your piece should look like this. A total number of 30 stitches. For next round 4 to 5, make a slip stitch and 2 chain stitches in the beginning, and then follow the pattern to finish it. Remember to put a stitch marker into the first stitch after you made the first half double crochet. When you're done with round 5, your piece should look like this. A total number of 50 stitches. Weaving in ends is to run the end under several stitches, wrap it around a stitch, and then run it under several more stitches. For even more security, reverse the direction and weave back under and over a few more stitches. When you're done, Cut the yarn tail as close as possible to the piece.